I feel like every influencer on YouTube has been hyping up and raving about the brand Geek and Gorgeous, which I often mispronounce as Greek and Gorgeous. Their motto is Geek Formulas Gorgeous Skin, so they are geek about the chemistry of the ingredients in order to give you gorgeous skin. So I finally hopped on the bandwagon and I got an order of the Geek and Gorgeous products. I got 5 products and I'm going to share them with you today as a little haul, so let's get into it. Okay, I'm holding the products here. Right off the bat, I really like the packaging. It's super cool. So it says Geek in pink on this side and then Gorgeous on this side. When I was picking which products that I wanted, I originally did not get the Jelly Joka cleanser because I have a couple different cleansers, like 4 that I need to use and try out. So I'm like, I do not need another cleanser. This product is so hyped up online that I'm like, if you're doing an order, you need to put this, you need this. So I got it. It's their Jelly Joker Low pH Gentle Cleanser. Right off the bat, I don't think this is going to be good for makeup removal or anything like that just because it's marketed as a gentle cleanser. But we'll see. Again, that's why I'm here. I'll test it out. I'll let you know. Hit that subscribe button so you know. Okay, so some ingredient callouts that I think would be great in this product. Again, I have not tried it yet. It's got caprylic triglycerides. It's got panthenol. So it's got a couple of things that I think would be good. You get 5.07 fluid ounces of product, which isn't bad. It's a little bit on the smaller side. It expires 12 months after opening this product. It's made in Hungary, which I thought was really interesting for these products. It has a seal on it, so I can't tell you how it smells. I don't want to open it just yet because I'm not going to get around to trying it for probably like a couple months. Next up, I got this product that I was super interested in. And by the way, all these products will be linked down below. So if at any point you're interested in what I'm talking about, feel free to go down and click on it and check it out on their website. But this is the Smooth Out 12% alpha hydroxy acid plus cactus liquid. Something that I've never heard of in skincare products, cactus liquid. 12% AHA I have heard of. AHA is alpha hydroxy acid, so those are chemical exfoliants that are going to help peel off the top layer of your dead skin cells. They can also help get rid of pigmentation. Some ingredient callouts in this product are the second ingredient, which is glycolic acid, so that's an alpha hydroxy acid. Lactic acid, another alpha hydroxy acid that I actually prefer because it's more gentle, so it's kind of good to see both of them in there. Then we have sodium hydroxide. Then we have glycerin in there, which is going to be hydrating. We got panthenol, which is smoothing. Hyaluronic acid, great. We have prickly pear extract, which I believe is that cactus liquid, just prickly. Sounds like a cactus to me. Yeah, there are some really great ingredients in this and I think this is gonna be great. I think this is more of like a toner type of a product. Doesn't seem to have a scent, but I'm excited to use this to get rid of like texture and stuff on the skin. And it doesn't seem like it's gonna be harsh or drying, so that's great. Next up is this liquid hydration 5% panthenol plus NMF toner, hydrate, soothe. So y'all know I love panthenol because it's so smoothing onto the skin. It's also known as vitamin B5, and this product has some other good ingredients in it like lactic acid, so it's going to be a little bit exfoliating. It's got citric acid, form of hyaluronic acid. It's got rice protein in it. It's got some just really cool, great ingredients in here. There are no preservatives in this product though. That's interesting to me. So this does expire within 6 months of opening it, and you do get 3.7 ounces of product. So I'm excited to try that out. I guess that's also like a toner type of a product. The next product that I have is the AHA 5 Lite. It is their hyaluronic acid serum with 5 forms of hyaluronic acid. This is supposed to be hydrating and plumping on the skin, which hyaluronic acid definitely does that. It comes in very similar packaging to the ordinary. It comes in a glass bottle, 1 fluid ounce of product. Probably the same manufacturer for the bottle at least. So I'm excited to try this. I usually don't reach for hyaluronic acid based serums because we get hyaluronic acid in pretty much every product. But because it's 5 forms, it seems like a little bit of a more unique formula, so I wanted to try it out. And I've actually been using this as aftershave since there's been a shortage or contamination issue with aloe vera, which I was using as aftershave. So I've been using this. And then last but certainly not least, because I probably we'll be doing another order soon, is the B-Balm 10% niacinamide serum, and this is going to balance and clear your skin. Again, that same packaging from duping the ordinary. And let's see, some other ingredient callouts in this product. It also has zinc, which the ordinary one does too. They just don't call it out on this ingredients list. And I guess that's kind of it. So it says that this is a niacinamide is a multifunctional skincare superstar that can normalize pores, soothe acne-prone skin, and improve the skin barrier. Zinc PCA join forces with niacinamide in this light formula to balance oil production and help combination skin-related problems. That's what I have. So it's gonna help with your oil production or sebum production, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, oily. And it's not going to be drying on the skin though, so I'm super excited to try this product. It seems like it's a little bit more unique. So that's everything that I got from Geek and Gorgeous. I'm stoked to try these products out. Let me know down below, have you tried anything? Have you watched a review where someone tried it? What are your thoughts and impressions? Am I too late to the train? Do you not care anymore? I don't know, let me know down below, but this is a really exciting brand that I'm interested in, and I hope that you guys are too, so stay tuned when I review some of the products. See you in my next video. Bye.